Hello there guys, it's your boy Investor Black and I welcome you to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about Pixel Tap by Pixelverse. It is a game just like every other game that is used to mine crypto. Never stop clicking. So the first thing you have to do is click battle time. You fight against people, power up your robots, you upgrade your bots so that you can win more battles, then invite your crew. You can also refer people to the game, right? So basically these are the four things you have to do in the game. So now I'm going to quickly launch the game. You can get to this point by visiting investorblack.com/pixel tap. I'm going to leave the link to that in the description of this video so that you can quickly join and follow the instructions that I'm going to be sharing right now. So the first thing you want to do when you visit investorblack.com/pixel tap is to click on the launch button. So this is the first thing you're going to see when you start the game for the very first time. Then the next thing you will do is to click on the button that says start, and once you click on start, it's going to launch the game. You're going to see this message and it's going to launch the game. So if I click on, you can either click on launch bot or you click on fight for supply. It's the same thing, it just means the same thing. So if I click on fight for supply, it loads up. If I close it and I click on launch bot, it also loads up, right? So it's the same thing. Now once it's loading up like this, you're going to be presented with the home page. This is where you can go ahead and tap. Now when you tap like this, you are going to be increasing your earnings. As you can see, if you watch closely at the top right here, my earnings is increasing by 1k, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. Now I want to show you something for those of you that are new. When you log in and you see some coins here, don't go and click on claim, rather start tapping and it's going to increase your balance exponentially. That's one thing you need to notice. So as you can see, mine is going 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, just like that. And that's how it's going to keep going. If you don't want to spend all day tapping, you can get an auto clicker, right? You can get an auto clicker. So I'm going to show you what I mean by getting an auto clicker. I'm going to pause this video right now, then I'm going to bring in an auto clicker to show you how it works. Some people say that using an auto clicker is cheating, but I don't know. But for those of you that are willing to take the risk, here is what an auto clicker does for you. So basically guys, this is the auto clicker I was able to get from Play Store. It's quite simple. So I'm going to click on the auto clicker to open it. Mind you, it has ads in it, so sometimes it's going to run ads. If I click on start and I click on either one-point mode or multi-point mode, as the case may be, I like using multi-point mode. Click on start. To get this auto clicker, simply head over to your Play Store and just search for auto clicker, and that's it. You're going to see the logo of that particular one. So once you click on that, you see that it's launched. For the first time when you're launching this auto clicker, it's going to ask you for some certain permissions, like to drag over other apps. As you can see, this button right here drags over other apps. It's not hidden by other apps, it's always on top, and that is the permission it's going to be asking you for, right? So if I click on home page, you see that the button is still here and it's over other apps. As you can see, it is above every other thing, right? So if I minimize and I go back to my my Telegram, I'm now in my Pixel Tap. The next thing you want to do is configure your button. You can configure this from 100 to as many milliseconds as you want. The lower the milliseconds, the faster the tapping. I highly recommend you do it something close to what looks like what a real human being would be tapping, right? You don't want to be too fast, then they will know that you're using auto clickers. So you want to use like 100, max minimum 100, then 200, 300 as the case may be. I like to keep things simple, so sometimes I use 100, sometimes I use 200, but for the purpose of this video I'm going to be using 100. Then you want to click on anti-detection. If I hover over this, what's going to show you that it generates random slight changes in the time interval, right? You don't want to be clicking the same time, one, like that, because human beings are not perfect, so we make slight changes when we are tapping, so it tries to mimic that, right? So I'm going to click on done, then I'm going to click on this plus sign to add the auto clicker. You can add as many as you want and just arrange it where you want, right? Then click on the play button and it will start tapping for you. Then you can just go ahead and relax and watch your auto clicker tap for you. So I'm going to pause this, then I'm going to delete most of them, then put just one, then play this. So it's going to use your auto clicker to tap. So I think I've exhausted my auto clicker. Yes, I've exhausted it. So once you exhaust it like this, you just give it some time and it's going to allow you to tap even more. As you can see, it's no longer tapping. Okay, yes, it has been exhausted. So that's for the first way to play the game. So you play the game by tapping. You can tap by yourself, you can tap auto clickers, but I'm just trying to show you how to go about it. Now you want to allow this to grow. Then another thing you have to check is your daily income. Here you increase your daily income by increasing the upgrading your robots, right? So we have different robots. We have this one, B Atom. When you start the game for the first time, the one you're going to be seeing is this one, Black Puma. You can go ahead and upgrade it by clicking on upgrade. Just to be clear, this is how I got to that point. I clicked on this button that says fight, then it took me here, then you click on upgrade. Once you click on upgrade, you're going to see the button at the bottom that shows you that you can upgrade. I don't have enough because I've already upgraded this. Let me close this auto clicker. Okay, this card, I've already upgraded this to a very high level, to level 11, so I need about 600k to upgrade it even more. Then if I go to my other bot, which I have not upgraded as much as this one, then you see that if I click on the button that says upgrade, I've upgraded this one to level 8, but I still need about 200. My balance is about 60 something k, right? So I'm going to claim this. So I need about 200, right? I need about 200. So as you can see, there's nothing left to claim. So that is basically it. You upgrade your bot, click on upgrade. Once you upgrade your bot, it's going to increase the energy, the recharge speed and the power of your bot, right? And that is what is going to be used as to gauge your power when fighting against other people's bots, right? So the higher the upgrade on your bot, the stronger your bot. Now also, the higher the upgrade on your bot, the faster you mine. As you can see, my daily income is about 1 million. As you can see, I've already done this. So at a point, I don't even have to come and tap, right? So I can just go ahead and claim. But I noticed that once you leave it to tap, once you tap, you earn more here, right? So that's one. Then you can also head over to this place, this robot area, by also clicking this plus button right here. It's going to still take you here, right? So that's basically how to upgrade, by clicking on the upgrade button. Apart from upgrading, you can still buy a brand new bot by sliding to the right, click on the button that says buy new pet. Once you click on it, you're going to see slide, right? As you can see, I can't buy now because I bought some hours ago. So you can go ahead and buy a new one once this is available for you. Then you click on buy, right? So buy random. So it's going to be clicking and sliding until you see the bot you want to buy. Then you buy that particular bot. Now I've shown you how to tap, I've shown you how to upgrade so that you can increase your mining rate, daily income. Another thing that you can do is to fight. Now fighting is one of the fun parts, one of the my favorite part of this game. If you click on the button that says fight, it's going to randomly match you with someone else. Then what you want to do is to tap as fast as you can. I'm using my mouse, so I'm going to just tap. As you can see, I'm tapping with my mouse. and any area that is highlighted, you want to tap that area as fast as you possibly can. So keep tapping, 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 tapping. I noticed one thing about this Pixelverse. It's a game that you can also play on your inbuilt Telegram. So I think this my player is a little bit laggy, that's why I'm losing. But if yours is not laggy, then you can tap as fast as you can and your tap is going to actually reflect, because I'm tapping and I'm losing. So that's basically it. So I'm going to pause this video and switch to my Telegram, so I'll show you how to win. Okay guys, so I'm in my Telegram, the one that is on my PC. I'm going to click on Pixel Tap, click on Fight for Supply, and it's going to load up Pixel Tap. Now, not all the games allow you to play it in the Telegram app, but luckily for me, Pixel Tap works in the Telegram app. So I'm going to click on Claim to claim this coin. Then I'm going to go to Fight. Then I'm going to click on Fight. Then it's going to match me up with somebody. Now I'm using my PC. I know that my taps are going to actually reflect. As you can see, I'm tapping as fast as I can and it's reflecting. It's no longer lagging. So I'm going to just tap, 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 tap. Always tap the area, 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 tap the area. So tap the area that you are asked to tap. Tap the area that you are asked to tap. Tap the area that you are asked to tap as much as you possibly can. The aim is to deliver more blues than your opponent. The aim is to deliver more blues than your opponent. I'm trying my best. I want to show you how to win actually. Okay guys, so just deliver more blues, deliver more blues. As you can see, I'm winning this fight. I'm winning this fight. As you can see, I'm winning this fight, obviously. So basically, this is how to win in the game. So once you win, you see your reward, 22,000 coins. You can decide to play with the next person, or you just leave it for now. Once you go back to your home page, you see your coins that you can claim for mining plus the coin that you claimed. So that's basically how to win. Then another way to earn more in this game is to head over to the place that says invite and invite your friends. As you can see, at the time of making this video, I don't have any friends because I just started this newly. So if you click on invite friends, it's going to show you your referral link. Copy your referral link and share to your friends. By the way, I'm going to leave my referral link in the description of this video. If you're not playing Pixel Tap, it's a fun game and their airdrop is going to be dropping very soon as well. So you want to go ahead and earn as much as you possibly can. Then another thing you can do is your daily reward. So if you go to this area that says daily reward, you can log in every day. I've already claimed mine for today, right? So this is my day 3. You can go ahead and claim it. Then the daily combo, I drop the daily combo every day. So basically the daily combo is about arranging some cards in a specific order to earn the daily combo, right? To select some cards and arrange it. So once you're able to do that, you're going to be earning a lot of coins every day. Then another thing you can do is the task area. As you can see, they are having a giveaway. If I click on this, they're having a $50,000 giveaway with OKX. So basically OKX has partnered with them to get more users. So this is like a lead magnet. So once you want this 10,000 reward plus to be part of the giveaway on OKX, then you click on start. It's going to ask you to sign up on OKX, set up your account on OKX and the rest. So as you can see, it's taking me here. I don't know what this is, but I believe it's like their affiliate link, right? So Pixelverse $50,000 giveaway. I think I'm going to make a video about this and how to participate in this, right? But this is not what this video is all about. As you can see, this is their tasks: retweet, verify, and do stuff like that. So that's basically for this one, but I'm not going to just dwell on this because this is not what this video is all about. I'm going to go back to my Telegram app. So we are now inside of Pixel Tap. So we've talked about the daily combo, talked about fighting, we've talked about clicking I've talked about upgrading your bots so that you mine automatically even when you are away. If I go back and I go to earn, you're going to see that my daily earning is about 1 million. And to get this, to increase this, all you have to do is upgrade your bots. Increase it by upgrading of your bots. As you can see, once you upgrade your bot, your mining rate is going to increase. Then once you see some coins here, you can go ahead and tap 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 tap. So I see what I was trying to tell you before. Because this is small, when I tap, it increases slowly. But when this is much, when you tap, it increases faster. So that's one thing I wanted to bring to your notice as well. So that's basically it for this game, for this video rather. Have a nice day, and I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy my videos, and if you want to show me some support, if you want to see me win, share my videos to your friends and hit that bell notification icon. Like I mentioned in my last video, I have my own project, just like Pixel Tap, just like Hamster Combat, that is going to pay you every month. This is not something you have to wait for 6 months, 7 months to get an airdrop. And I'm not talking about change, I'm not talking about $10 airdrop, I'm talking about massive airdrop. I've partnered with a lot of people to make this work, and I'm going to be launching it soon. But I need you guys to leave a comment in the comment section saying let it rain. If you say let it rain, I'm going to drop a hint on that project. Have a nice day, and I love you guys. Bye bye.